One light, two lights, three lights, four lights, five lights, and it's go, 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 go! Wow!
Hold it off, hold it off. Oh, well done. Masterclass.
Bad for a maiden, was it?
Anything can happen in Formula One, and it usually does.
So you may have seen a few months ago that I did an 80mm EDF Mega Shark. This is the 70mm EDF Mega Shark, done by the design from Wooters 004 on Colts 3D, isn't it, Nick?
That's it, yeah. I think the guy's name's Dirk.
Dirk, yeah.
And yeah, he makes, he does a selection of different models. I've got his Hunter as well, and I've got the baby one of these. But this is the bigger 70, and obviously you had the 80, and it's done up in the Marlborough race scheme.
Lovely. You've put a lot of effort into this scheme.
Yeah, more than I would normally prior to making an aircraft.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm just praying it goes well. I'm sure it would. Mine was fairly easy to take off. It does come unstuck from the runway quite quickly. It just kind of went vertical after takeoff. It didn't seem to want to take off smoothly, but be interesting to see what yours does. No, it flies. It flies really well.
We wanted the wind. I mean, when we got here this morning, it was flat calm, and we wanted the wind just so we had it to slow up. And,
yeah.
and
So you've got a good 10-15 miles an hour now.
Yeah. So it should be
Good. All right. Good luck, man.
Thank you very much.
Good luck.
We've got to take off. Taking off. About that. I think that was a bit bumpy. Yeah, it's a bit bumpy. Well, I didn't want to punch it and.
Yeah, so we've had a chat and we think he didn't quite get up to full throttle and he hit some bumps anyway, so he backed out of that. So this attempt's going to half throttle, make sure he's tracking in the right direction, and then punch it.
Oh, taking off.
Yeah, nice. Wow, that took off better than mine did. Really nice.
I didn't put my sunglasses on.
Well, no sun.
How's the trim? Clicks are up. Why is the kite?
Just trimming out.
That's better, isn't it? Alright, full set.
Half roll, pull.
That was right, roll right. Yeah, that was full. That was good. noise to it.
Loads of power on it.
Oh yeah, loads. Half throttle most of the time. One more slightly slow pass and then I'll probably start for a landing just to make sure.
I'm going to have to sub in a V10 sound as it does a flyby.
V12, isn't it?
Well, V12 or V10.
Alright.
Wind straight down the strip.
It did slow towards the end though,
It
so
did,
I think
but
it'll be alright.
you need to be off the throttle just a little bit earlier, further out,
Don't
and
want
then
to
you
get
can
it
bring
too
it back
slow on
in.
the corner.
And maybe keep the idle on for drag.
The wind's gone now.
That looks good.
Hold it off, hold it off. Oh, well done.
Lovely.
Masterclass.
For a maiden, was it?
That was awesome.
Very happy with that. And I'm not even having to retrieve my own plane.
That was brilliant.
So
So
no-
takeoff really nice and smooth, progressive, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Actually, it didn't even jump up. I mean, it just once it got enough speed, once you got the wings up
Level.
straight, and just punch the throttle and off it went. But as with the smaller one, it takes a lot to slow it up. So you need to be, you know,
It is slippery.
half your landing circuit is off throttle.
And but on the approach, were you on the final? Were you on idle? Does
Always, yeah. I mean, always with an EDF anyway. I never shut an EDF down because if you need to spool it, you need it to come in as quick as possible. So it's always just spooled up. But it was literally just spooled up just to slow
Brilliant.
it up. But yeah, the only thing I could probably do, maybe I might add something just to make that wheel. I don't know. It almost wants a brake, doesn't it? Once it's landed, you know, you almost want a little
It
brake
slides.
to put in.
Slides forever.
Yeah. So
Great.
Yeah, it goes in really quick.
Show us the top of that scheme, Adrian. We like that. Doesn't that look good?
And underneath,
And underneath. Good
Check
contrast
the bottom.
between top and bottom.
So, yeah, definitely needed that, especially without the sunglasses.
Yeah.
It was
well,
better once I got it closer, I think, because I was trimming it at the beginning.
of course you were. Yeah. No, you
Yeah,
did the right thing.
Quite hard work when it was up high, but once it was back down low again, it was fine.
Couldn't have
Flies
been
just
better.
like the little one.
Couldn't have been better for a first flight.
So,
very nice.
yeah,
Good.
all good.
Well done.
Thanks very much.
1 light, 2 lights, 3 lights, 4 lights, 5 lights, and it's go, 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 go! Wow!
Hold it off, hold it off. Oh, well done.
Lovely.
Masterclass.
For a maiden, was it?
Anything can happen in Formula One, and it usually does.